Hello, everyone. Today, let's take a look at this question. A bridge that carries a car, lorries, and train was found to have much higher predicted usage when a survey was carried out. After 2 years, the fatigue lifetime information of the vehicle per day are shown below, with the car's fatigue and the day's usage, the lorries, and the train. Now, using all the information above, calculate the cumulative fatigue to the date. 2. The anticipated remaining service lifetime, the remaining lifetime days for the train, diverted. Now, using the minus theory equation given below, we can assume that based on the minus theory, that state that used in reliability analysis to predict the fatigue life of a system subjected to repeated loads. It can help to estimate the total damages on fatigue life based on the number of cycles at different stress level. Now, let's consider the value we have. The fatigue for the car, 3.5 to 8. The fatigue for the lorry, 7.0 to 6. For the train, 2.5, 10 to 5. And with their corresponding days. Now, by using the equation for the minus rule, we can pull out all the parameters. So the cumulative equals 12,000 over 3.5 10 to 8 plus 450 over 7.0 10 to 6 plus 100 2.5 10 to 5. Multiply by the 2 years which you were told here. 2 years. 2 times 365 days. So our DC, I see the cumulative damage. So the cumulative damage shouldn't exceed 1. So in this case, our calculated DC equals 0.3640. That's one. Now, the next thing is to calculate the remaining DC. So what would be the remaining DC? The remaining DC will be 1 minus 0.3640, which is 0.64. So how do we calculate the remaining service day? So to calculate the anticipated remaining service day, which is number 2, we have calculated 1. So the remaining service days will be 2 times 365 days over the previous DC, which is 0.364 multiplied by 0.64. That gives us the value of 1,027.73 days. Now we are asked to calculate the remaining lifetime if the train is diverted. So that means we will cancel all the values for the trains. So we use the values for the cars and the lorries. So by doing that, we have the DC for the car and the lorry to be 3.5, 10 to 8, plus 457 times 10 to 6 multiply by 2 times 365. And that gives us 0.93. That gives us 0.072. So now to calculate the remaining service day if the train is diverted, now becomes 2 times 365 days over 0.072 multiply by 0.6360, which gives us 6452 days calculated. Thank you very much for staying tuned.